What are the effects of diffused learning?
Effect of like diffused learning. Okay, so I said diffused learning talks about when learning in a relaxed mode. It's a relaxed thinking style, and also I mentioned the fact that diffuse learning is more like a broad learning. Is that part of your learning that when after you're done with a focused attention level studying and you want to get into diffuse mode, it's just that part of your brain that you just relax and you're just thinking broadly about different things, different topics, thinking wide about what you've just read and thinking outside the box. So it's a practice that helps you get into a reflective mode such that you can now begin to create. It's a space where inventions happen, really, because you can now think about, okay, what do I think about the definition of biology that I just read? Do I think that definition is correct? Do I think that definition is wrong? Oh, I think that definition is correct actually, because I have observed this particular animal in my house, maybe this cockroach, maybe this rat. For some of you that have cockroaches and rats in your house, I mean, it's plenty around here. So yeah, things like that, and then you begin to put it into practice, or maybe a place where you were taught the concept of diffusion in biology, and you're thinking extensively about that, and then you're thinking about, oh wait, there was a time I actually kept a sachet water in our refrigerator, and then it started smelling like fish, and I was wondering, how did fish get into the water? Oh, so it was because I added this. So when you're in diffuse mode, you're able to think creatively and maybe even come up with your own definition of terminologies that is not against the textbook definitions. And at the end of the day, you begin to grow to become into um, not necessarily an expert, but someone who is above average in your work. Yeah, so diffuse learning is important. It helps you to break down difficult and hard subject matter into easily understandable, sizable points for you.